The Pacific Northwest, a region of untouched beauty and home to some of the most breathtaking waterfalls in the world. This captivating corner of the United States, with its lush green landscapes and towering mountains, is an outdoor enthusiast's paradise. But it's the cascading waterfalls hidden within these landscapes that truly steal the show. Each waterfall, from the well-known giants to the secluded marvels, tells a story of history, of geology, of the people who have revered them for generations. In this journey, we're not just exploring these majestic cascades. We're diving into their stories, their significance, and the sense of wonder they inspire. From the tallest waterfall in Oregon to the spiritual sights of Washington, from the enchanting falls of the Columbia River Gorge to the hidden waterfalls of the Olympic Peninsula. Join us as we chase these cascades, from Oregon's towering treasures to Washington's hidden gems. Our first stop is Multnomah Falls, Oregon's tallest waterfall and a sight to behold. Standing at a staggering 611 feet, this two-tiered waterfall is a natural masterpiece, with its icy waters cascading down in a mesmerizing dance. This towering treasure was formed thousands of years ago by cataclysmic floods, carving a path through the basalt cliffs, shaping what we see today. The waterfall's name, Multnomah, hails from the Multnomah tribe, indigenous to the Columbia River Gorge. A treasured legend of the tribe tells of a young woman who sacrificed herself to the Great Spirit to save her people from a deadly disease. Spanning the lower cascade is the iconic Benson Bridge, named after lumber baron and philanthropist Simon Benson. This stone bridge, built in the early 20th century, offers a stunning vantage point where you can feel the cool mist on your face and hear the roar of the falling waters. Multnomah Falls is a sight for all seasons. In the spring, the surrounding forest is a lush green bursting with life. Summer brings clear blue skies and the vibrant hues of wildflowers. Come autumn, the leaves take on shades of gold and red, creating a picturesque backdrop. And in winter, the falls transform into a frosty spectacle as icicles cling to the surrounding cliffs. Visitors can follow the paved trail leading to the top of the falls. The journey might be a bit strenuous, but the reward is a breathtaking view of the Columbia River Gorge. Multnomah Falls is more than just a scenic wonder. It's a testament to the enduring spirit of nature and the rich tapestry of cultural heritage that it embodies. A testament to nature's grandeur, Multnomah Falls captivates all who witness its majesty. Next, we venture to Washington State, to the powerful Snoqualmie Falls. This majestic cascade is not just a feast for the eyes, but a site of deep cultural significance for the indigenous Snoqualmie people. For centuries, they have revered the falls as a spiritual place, a source of power and renewal. The Snoqualmie tribe believes that the mists rising from the base of the falls serve to connect heaven and earth. The falls are nestled within a park that's a gem in its own right. Abundant with lush greenery and sprays of mist, the park offers a serene backdrop to this natural spectacle. The roar of the falls, the cool splash of the mist, and the rustling leaves create a symphony of nature that echoes through the park, creating an experience that's truly immersive. Right at the edge of the falls, you'll find the historic Salish Lodge and Spa. With its cozy rooms and panoramic views, it offers the perfect vantage point to witness the fall's grandeur. Imagine waking up to the sight of the cascading waters, the mist rising with the sun, painting the sky with hues of gold and orange. But the true essence of Snoqualmie Falls lies in its deep-rooted connection with the local heritage. For the Snoqualmie people, the falls are much more than a natural landmark. They are a sacred site, a symbol of their history, and a testament to their resilience. The stories of the falls passed down through generations resonate with the voices of the ancestors, echoing their wisdom, their struggles, and their triumphs. Snoqualmie Falls is a place where nature and culture intertwine, where the power of the water mirrors the strength of the people. It's where the past and the present converge, creating a narrative that's as captivating as the falls themselves. More than just a natural wonder, Snoqualmie Falls is a testament to the rich cultural heritage of the region. Our journey continues to the Columbia River Gorge, a haven for waterfall chasers. This stunning landscape, a verdant ribbon of land straddling the mighty Columbia River, is home to over 90 waterfalls, each with its own unique charm and story to tell. Today, we delve into the heart of this waterfall paradise, focusing on the lesser-known yet equally captivating cascades of Bridal Veil and Waclella. The Columbia River Gorge is not just a sight to behold, but also a geological wonder. Carved over millions of years by cataclysmic floods and the relentless flow of the Columbia River, the gorge is a living testament to the power of water. Its steep cliffs and layered rock formations tell a tale of ancient lava flows and glacial floods, a testament to the Earth's dynamic past. Nestled within this geological masterpiece are the enchanting falls of Bridal Veil and Waklala. Bridal Veil Falls, true to its name, cascades down in delicate streams, much like a bride's veil. Its soft, misty water contrasts sharply with the rugged basalt cliff from which it flows, creating a mesmerizing scene of beauty and resilience. Not far from Bridal Veil is Waklala Falls, a hidden gem tucked away in a mossy, forested canyon. The waterfall plunges in two tiers into a deep pool, surrounded by a lush amphitheater of ferns and moss-covered rocks. The sight of Waklala, especially after a hardy hike, is nothing short of magical. Exploring the Columbia River Gorge and its waterfalls is an adventure in itself. With numerous hiking trails and scenic viewpoints, it offers a perfect blend of accessibility and wilderness. Every bend in the trail, every rustle of leaves, every bird's song seems to whisper a secret, drawing you deeper into the heart of the gorge. A geological marvel, the Columbia River Gorge is a testament to time's sculpting hand. Its enchanting waterfalls like Bridal Veil and Waklala are reminders of the Earth's ever-evolving beauty and the magic that lies in every corner of our natural world. As we continue our journey, let us carry these reminders with us, cherishing the beauty that surrounds us and the stories that the Earth has to tell. We venture off the beaten path to the heart of the Olympic Peninsula. With each step, we delve deeper into a landscape where time stands still, where the ancient forests whisper tales of yore, and the air is filled with the music of cascading water. In this verdant paradise, hidden waterfalls await those with a sense of adventure. Marymere Falls, a stunning cascade nestled in the depths of the forest, is one such gem. The journey to Marymere is as captivating as the destination itself. The trail weaves through towering firs and moss-laden trees, punctuated by the delicate trill of native birds. And as the forest opens up, the waterfall reveals itself in all its awe-inspiring glory. Just a stone's throw away, the Solduke Falls offer a different spectacle, a trio of cascades that plunge into a serene pool. Solduke is a testament to nature's artistic prowess. The journey to Solduke takes us past crystal-clear streams and under the canopy of primeval forests, a testament to the Olympic Peninsula's unspoiled beauty. But as we embark on these adventures, it's essential to remember our role as stewards of nature. The Olympic Peninsula, with its secluded waterfalls and ancient forests, is a treasure to be protected. As we traverse these trails, let's tread lightly, leave no trace, and respect the natural habitats we're privileged to explore. Remember, our footprints in the sand may wash away, but our actions leave a lasting impact. By practicing responsible travel, we can ensure that these hidden wonders remain untouched for future generations to discover and marvel at. So, pack your bags, lace up your hiking boots, and immerse yourself in the adventure that the Olympic Peninsula offers. Let the whispering trees guide you, the babbling brooks be your soundtrack, and the majestic falls your destination. A journey into the Olympic Peninsula is an adventure into the heart of nature's hidden wonders. From towering cascades to hidden gems, our journey through the Pacific Northwest's waterfall wonders has been awe-inspiring. The majesty of Multnomah, the power of Snoqualmie, the enchantment of the Columbia River Gorge, and the secrets of the Olympic Peninsula have unfolded before us, each cascade a testament to the ceaseless wonder of nature. Beyond the awe and adventure, these waterfalls whisper a deeper message. They remind us of the crucial role we play as custodians of these natural treasures. Our footprints should be fleeting, our memories lasting. Each visit, each photograph, each hushed gasp of awe at the sight of these cascading marvels is a pledge to respect, to preserve, and to protect. Remember, as we chase these cascades, we also hold the responsibility to protect them. Until next time, keep exploring and cherishing the beauty of nature.